We just issued one for Rock County.
Indiana, the Hills, McHenry, Hampshire, Wonder Lake, and Lakewood around 7:25 p.m. Johnsburg, Lake Erie, Spring Grove, Kissimmee Highlands, Prairie Grove, Richmond, and McCullough Lake around 7:30 p.m. Fox Lake around 7:35 p.m.
How many severe thunderstorm warnings are they going to issue for Rock County? Holy crap.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. Remain alert. Spawn a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
Cue the
building.
tone.
Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, western Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m.
Waukesha?
At 7:14
Waukesha?
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lake Ripley to near Milton to 8 miles east of Janesville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator.
Of course, southern Wisconsin steals the show again.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Delafield, Lake Mills, Laprauche Lake, Oconomowoc, Ottawa, Johnson Creek, Dousman, North Prairie, Palmyra, Cambridge, Lac Wabell, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Axonia, Richmond, and Rome. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Ottawa Lake Recreation Area and Pinewoods Campground. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin. The National Weather Service